Today we're going to repair the not working front camera of this Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let's get started. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove the screws attached on the motherboard cover. Remove the motherboard cover in place. Remove the screws attached on the front camera. Detach the camera bracket in place. Disconnect the front camera flex cable. As you can see, the flex cable is severely damaged. Remove the stopper bracket under the flex cable. Lift up the motorized mechanism to remove its front camera. Prepare the new replacement front camera. Using a thin blade, carefully remove the camera lens. Remove the rubber seal at the bottom of the camera. Pull out the broken camera on its frame. Insert the new replacement camera in place. Reattach the camera lens and the rubber seal properly. Place the rubber seal properly. Assemble the front camera in place. Lift up the motorized mechanism to properly install the front camera. Place back the stopper bracket properly. Attach the flex cable in place. Place the flex cable bracket properly. Place all the screws properly. The front camera is now fully working. Attach the fingerprint sensor cable on the motherboard. Place back the motherboard cover properly. Attach all the screws in place. Place the adhesive on the back cover frame. Install the back cover properly.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Byron Jackson.